guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a quick little project showing some embellishments, Valentine's Day embellishments that I've been working on. I figured I'd share. The first one is this typewriter die right here. This is from KS Craft, and I originally had cut it out, and I even cut this part right here is supposed to be the paper, and I was going to do paper. And then I saw Berry Crafty on Instagram. She did hers, and she literally just used the little ephemera pieces as the piece of paper, and I thought, well, that's such a good idea, because that way I don't have to do like a solid colored piece of paper and then decorate it that way. I could just leave it like the ephemera and then decorate down below. So that's what I did. Just used like some of the little strawberry die cuts, and then I added a little cluster sequins, and then I used some of the pink paisley Lucky Us for all of the little like sentiments. I feel like that's all I've been using sentiment wise is from that collection so far. A little chipboard piece from the main squeeze collection, and then I just backed this in 110-pound cardstock, and as you can see, it didn't really cut through all the way, which I didn't want it to, because I just wanted that to be a backer piece so that it's sturdy. Did a little bow. Those are from AliExpress charms, and then the little polymer clay beads like crafty kimchi, so cute. And then this one right here, I did the Love You Most with the little pucker up, the little sequins everywhere. Again, with the little dangles right here. Cute little typewriters. And then I think what I'm going to start doing now is, because I was like, okay, this is for a swap, just 2. And I think from now on, I'm going to cut out more so that I can make some for myself as well. Because I feel like you get so in the zone of make, and you send it off. And then I don't even have stuff to like decorate or embellish my projects. I mean, at least for me, that's how it goes. Next one is this roller skate die. I'm finally getting to play with it. This is also from KS Craft. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you saw my stories. This little doodad. I just cut it out twice, once with that paper, and then I fussy cut to give it that centerpiece. I fussy cut this piece off and then that piece. And then I used the Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio little, like, they're basically like dots, like little resin dots. And I glued those on there, little charms. These are the Maggie Holmes ones, Hobby Lobby, and then this is from AliExpress. Some little gems. I did try to stitch that circle, but my fingers were too fat, and I couldn't do a good circle. Some of the Target stickers right here, like epoxy style stickers, and look how fun these skates are, like retro 80 fun bright Valentine's Day skates. I did go ahead and do the same exact thing for this guy, just a different sticker. But these are super cute, right? And then I did foam for the wheels just to give it a little bit more dimension than the rest of the roller skates. Then I used, oh my gosh, I was trying to use dies that aren't normally used for Valentine's Day. So like a roller skate, a typewriter, and then these are like rolling pins or a cheese grater. I don't know if that's supposed to be a cheese grater with those things in there, but I did use those and make some little embellishments. There's 3 different sizes, so it's the big one, the medium, and then the little one. I did go ahead and add some thickers to this one and stitched it across, and then I added like little bows, and then it was too small to add any type of thicker to this one because these are tiny thickers. So I just added like a little flat back gem that my friend Christina got off AliExpress. She gifted me some. And then this one is a Creative Mojo Wholesale like bubble heart, which I love. And I just glued those on there, not with hot glue because I feel like they'd pop off, so I used Fairly Arts glue, clipped it, and waited for it to dry. And I did another set. This one just says cute. So they're just, I mean, she can just, there's those guys. And then this one, this is the candy set. So there's a swirl one, which totally reminds me of like, you know, Christmas. And then there's this one, which is like more of a longer shape, which is super cute, but it makes shakers. And this is, this last set of embellishments was like, okay, I'm going to make some for me and some for my partner, one for me, one for you. So I did the Michaels paper pad from last year for these guys. So I just did the heart one, the xoxo in pink, cute little shaker bits in there. This one has like stripes, pin stripes with like little heart detail. And then I think there's one more somewhere. Oh, this one has like boxes of chocolate and desserts. And then I was going to keep 4 for myself so that I can embellish. It ends up going to that person anyway, but I can embellish with these, you know, versus just shipping it off. Okay, so for these guys, my idea and the sizing that I did was so that they fit in these boxes. These are actually little cassette, it's supposed to be like a cassette player. Not a player, but the actual little cassette. This is how I embellished it. I stitched it all up. This is following Kristiannes tutorial. She has a little boombox, but I will just load these little cassettes up. I'm going to stick some some shred at the bottom of these guys just to add some. Oh, these fit like literally so perfect in here. So there's that guy, super cute. And then the next one, again, I use those stickers. So this is the song Sending You All My Love. This next one is Love You Forever. Geez, a little shred goes a long way with these guys. The roller skates, uh-oh. Ooh, barely fitting, but they are. Those guys. And then this song is Love You More. Stick the little typewriters. And these typewriters, I had to make sure that I wasn't like going too far off the edge, because I originally was. I was like, oh my gosh, they're not gonna fit in my boxes. Here's the other guy. Ooh, see, this one's very tight. And these cassettes, you can't really embellish the top of these because they fit so tight in the box that they're in, like the perfect fit and not room for any other bulky embellishments. This one is what's going on this box. And I did see Eileen, she uploaded her cassettes and she just had like glitter, like stickles that went around the edge of the cassette. So I'm totally going to do that to all of them. I just was testing it on one of them and I do like the way it looks, and it's still kind of drying, so gotta be careful with that. But these guys, oh, I have to go at an angle. These little embellies can go in here. Like so. Ooh, I just love that. It's kind of gives it like a stitched look without stitching, I guess. So literally you just draw a tiny little, barely squeezing. This is fun. It's like therapeutic doing this. I think I could do this more than I can sew. Oh. Okay, so never mind. I kind of finished what I think is finished, but I'm sure I'll add more to it. The Boombox Reveal. So this is it. Look how cute, following Kristiannes' tutorial. I kind of just did the circle things on my own, but I did like a little square like her, and then I added, you know, the rewind. I was literally thinking too literal into this and was doing like rewind and press forward, and look at even a working knob. I used a brad to keep this, as you can see right here, I stabbed the brad through there to keep the knob spinning. Little heart circle die cuts that I have, and then these gears are from Andy's store, and I think they looked perfect as the speakers. And then this wonky heart is from AliExpress as well, and this gorgeous like shimmer paper is from Michaels. They had these paper pads that were literally $5 and you got 5 sheets of paper. So I'm finally using that paper. I backed it in that paper. Used crepe paper main squeeze. These are the paper sheets that they sell at Joann's for like 25 cents, and they're not like sturdy at all. It's just paper. So it was perfect to use on this project and layer it up. I used some of the Target stickers. This is from the Pink Paisley collection, and I just cut it to make it look like, you know, like a sound bar kind of. And then these hearts were all gifted to me by my friend KG Crafts for my birthday, and so I just kind of layered them up on top of each other. Like when music is blaring, you know, in like a cartoon, it shows like music notes floating up. So I wanted to do hearts because this is Valentine's Day theme, if that makes any sense. And then I just did the holographic squares like buttons, puffed them up on puffy tape, and just added some holographic, some ribbon on the top. At the back, this is a handmade, this is a bag topper from AliExpress. I just cut it off and kind of made it like a back piece. So it says handmade and craft purge. And then on the side, I did 3 different Maggie Holmes tassels. I tried to make it look like an ombre effect, trying to match the main squeeze paper collection. And then I just did these fun, you know, heart-shaped glasses to kind of go with this 80s, 90s boombox. It's so cute. I'm like obsessed with it. And then the cassettes literally fit like a tight squeeze, all 4 of them in there. So yeah. That is my project shares, embellishment, fun way to send some embellishments, and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. All right, bye guys.